Traders, we're going to have a look at some of these crypto pairs. So at the moment, Bitcoin hasn't given us the a counter trend opportunity. I've been waiting for this to retrace, and it's still trending down. We're getting these sell signals, but no, we haven't had a bullish break yet. So at the moment, there's no opportunity. I mean, yeah, if you wanted to sell, I wouldn't have sold. I wouldn't have entered short while this is so extended. I want the pullback back into this level up in here before I go short. But as far as a counter trend trade goes, and I talked about this yesterday, let's just look at that a bit more in depth. What we're really looking for is this green signal, right, that you see here on the 1 hour. I want to see it on the 4 hour as well. We're not getting it, right? These 4 lines are heading down into our level, but at the moment we're not getting a touch, as you can see here on this indicator down the bottom. It's definitely a stronger signal, especially when these 3, the daily, the 4 and the 1, touch at the same time. Now look, if you want to take the risk, you could run off the 1 hour, but you want to see the confluence between the 1 hour and the 15 minute, and that will give you this pullback here. It's not significant though, it's only a small pullback, right? So we'll just have a look at that signal on the 15-minute time frame. Did we get a yeah, we did. Alright, so here's the opportunity from the 1 hour chart, and the 15-minute kicked in here. You have to look for this. See this here? This is a bullish divergence. You've got to see that, and you want to see the price. You want to see price moving into, right? Reflect that on and off. It's got to be touching or breaking through a higher time frame level. Understand that you're counter trend trading. Alright, flash this one on and off, and you can see that it's traded into a support zone here. So you want the confluence, you want all of this to stack up, and then, you know, if you're only using the 1 hour and the 15 minute, right, for confirmation, you're going to take the trade on the 1 minute. Let's just take that out and go down now to or even a 1 or a 2 minute chart. Alright, so if you really want to get involved with counter trend trading, here's the thing. Right, so this was the opportunity on the 1 minute, and you want to see the same thing stacking up on the lower time frame. Right, so you've got the line here, you can see a green line, that's divergence, you've got that. These 2 points are points of interest on the higher time frame. So what you're waiting for on this time frame is the green to kick in right there. See down the bottom? You want that green to kick in, but more importantly, you're going to be waiting for these red bars to turn green, and you're going to set up a trade based on low to high retrace into the Fibonacci on the 1 minute. You can do that, right? There's the pullback into the 50. So you've got this break of structure here, and that's your entry point. Okay, now understand the risk. There's not a lot in it. It's a pullback. So you're going to enter a long, stop under the low or under the cloud. Well, there's a 5R. Let's just back it off a bit. Yeah, 5R outcome. All right, so you would look to exit when the green bars start to turn red. See how they're starting to turn red up in here? And you see this break here. See break 1? That's a good sign to bail right at that point there. So there's a 5R outcome. Okay, so that's how you can use the indicators to on a lower time frame. This is going to work well for you. But you got to follow the rules. You got to make sure all the check boxes are ticked. Let's go out of here. These signals down here will repaint. It doesn't matter. If it's flashing on and off, it's telling you that the condition is being met. Right? That signal on the 1 hour is not your buy signal. It's telling you to go down the time frames, and as I showed you on the 1 minute chart, okay, go down to the 15, go down to the 1, and take your trade on that time frame. And you're waiting for that setup, the setup I just showed you there on the 1 minute. So if you have a look at these, let's just open that up, flick through a few of these here. Let's have a look at Cardano, point of interest on the 1 hour there. Now let's just clear any other drawings. We've only got one drawing. Okay, so then we go down to, and you want to see these lines heading south. You want to know that it's trading into support, so you've got to make sure that all your check boxes are ticked. So when we go to the 15 minute, we flick that on and off. Alright, yes, it's trading into, see previous daily low. Does it have a divergence? Yes, it does. It has to have divergence. We've got the signal, we've got the divergence on the 15 minutes. So, it's given us the alert on the 1 hour. You've got the green signal on the 15. You've got the divergence. There's not a lot in it, guys, but we're looking for that on the 1 minute time frame. This is scalping, and it's not for the faint-hearted. So let's go down to the lower time frame here. Where's our point of interest? Right here. Okay, so this is what we're looking for now. So the point of interest was this. Then we come down to the 1M. We have to see now the same thing setting up on the 1 minute. The same thing. So this is the 1 hour 15 minute. Right, we've got that point of interest. We want to see the divergence. We want to see this dot. We want to see that. That's kicking in. So what we're doing now is waiting for these candles here to turn green, and that happens right there. That's your pullback there or there. There's your buy. Right, so you're counter trend trading, and you're using the lower time frame, the break of market structure, to get involved. And again, long position on the pullback. Use the cloud. See the cloud here? Okay, use the cloud for your stop loss. There's your green dots on the cloud right there. Something like that. Right, we've got a support. Where to exit? See this? And given that it's a 1 minute, right, that's your, you would have exited. See, when these start to turn red, that's your point there. You can see it, price action. Equal highs, bail. Lower high, bail. You've already gained what? Well, that's 5R. Squeeze 5R out of it. There you go, look, see? Alright, so you can set up these alerts to go off. Make sure you revisit this video and watch it again. You can just run off the 1 hour time frame alerts if you like. But the most important thing is you must be trading into support or resistance. So you can, go to the 1 hour, grab this one here. This is high-low 2. Alright, so you can see that there's a support zone under here. Use this indicator. Use this guy. Alright, what are we trading into? Okay, there's a yellow dotted line back there. That's a previous daily high or low. Mark it up. Right? So you want to be trading into a level like this. The higher time frame levels are good because there's going to be liquidity sitting above or below these levels. So it hits that, and then we see the pullback. Counter trend. Alright, that's the 1 hour. We've got the indicators on there. We can go down to the 15 minute and we use the same thing. Does it pick it up on the 15M? Let's have a look. Yeah, okay. So we're looking for this historical data. Not so much this. Here, let's just knock that on the head with the replay. Let's just go there. Alright. Alright, so it's picking up historical data from before. So we want to see these. There's the alert on the 15, right? There's a divergence. Let's play it. Guys, gain access. And we're having a lot of success in VIP. There's a 2-week free trial. Try it for 2 weeks and see how it works for you. See the link to my website below. Just go there. Trading with Anthony. Let's just play that. TradingWithAnthony.com. Go to the free trial and join. Look, guys, look. So it breaks structure, but we're looking for the signal on the lower time frame. Here's more confirmation with the divergence. Look at that. Alright, so we go down to, I'll just close that. Now we go down to the 1 minute chart for our entry point. There it is. Open that up. Right, that's our point of interest. These lines, that's what we were looking at. So we want the same on the 1 minute now. Divergence, the green signal, and then the break. And then we get involved. Look at it. Okay, everywhere you go, it's going to be the same story. Right now, you want to set up your alerts. So this is the 1 hour, 15 minute, 1 minute, 2 minute combo. There's also, I've got another chart set up, and I'll show you this. It's going to go to my workspaces. I want to show you. Bear with me for a second. Just open up my layouts. Okay, 4 hour, 15 minute. We'll just try that. Yeah, it's the scalping layout. I've done the videos on how to set this up. Alright, you can set the alerts to go off. I'll open this up, double click. So it's 2 charts, and all I've done is I've placed the indicator on this chart. So this is the 1 hour. That's all it is. It's just that high-low signals 3 down the bottom. Right, so just open that up, double click in here, take that out. Right, we want that. And up here, you can go 15 minute. That's where we start. Right, and all I've done here is just place the indicator on there. And we want trend bars, a trend channel. This guy, not that guy. We've removed that one. Double take this one. Clap, clap. Yeah. And on the 15 minute, I've got the trend bars, the trend channel. Signals 1, signals 2. Okay, you want that. Flash them on and off as you need them. And you want to set the alert up on this time frame. This is the 1 hour. And when they go off, let's have a look at our point of interest back here on the 1H. Okay, up here I've got the 15 minute. Okay, wiggling my mouse. Alright, so this is the point on the 15M right there. The 15 and the 1 hour. Alright, that's it there. That's your point of interest. Just make sure everything aligns, guys. So you can just use this chart layout. It's trading into, it's got everything going for it. And then from here you go down to the lower time frame. And you look for your entry point on the 1M. So set your alerts here. Go over to the alerts on the left. I'm going to take everything out. Just delete the whole lot. Okay. Select all. Delete. Okay. Delete everything. Delete. Right. If you want to counter trend trade, you're going to be setting the alert on this one down here. This is the 1 hour. Look, here's an opportunity on Bitcoin right here. Let's have a look at that. Way to go. Lower time frame. But go over here. Select the instrument, right? And then go over here to this one. High-low signals 3. Run that. Notifications, I'll go the droplet, right? Settings, just leave it alone. Don't have to do anything. And just create. And you want to do that with all of these. So here's an opportunity here, already setting up right now. Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. So we'll just go out of here and do this same thing for these. So you want this alert to fire over here in the alerts log. Alright, I'm just going to double click that now. Alright, I want to drop that down. There's my point of interest. Okay, so this is where we get involved, guys. Look, here's a trade opportunity setting up right now. We've got everything going for it. We've got the divergence. You probably want to check the 1 hour. Is there a divergence on the 1 hour? And that's going to come with the trend bar. Alright, there it is there. Fair enough. Okay, now we go down to time frame. Let's go down to a 1 minute. And we're waiting for... Alright, we're starting to get it, look. So that's our point of interest. Oops, hang on. I'm a bit late to the party, guys. This here was the point of interest on the 1 hour. Back here, right there. Alright, so we've missed it. That's okay, we just wait for the next alert, right? But then, you come into the lower time frame here, and this is the breakout you're looking for. Trend bars, trend channel, high-low 1, yeah, you want all that. High-low 2, yeah, see how it's trading into support down below here? Alright, that would have been the opportunity there. Long position on the pullback, if you like. What did you get out of that? And given that it's a 1 minute chart, you can watch it and then wait for these things here to start to shift gears. There's your exit point as it's rolling over here. Okay, as these turn red, right, that's where you bail. That's 4.7R. Okay, set the alert on the 1 hour and come straight in when it fires. Gain access, guys. TradingWithAnthony.com. will take you to anthonybourne.com. Alright, I'm keen on this, so let's start from the top and work down. So I'm going to set the alert on this chart here, 1H. Alright, it's the one down the bottom, 3 dots. Done. Add alert. That's all there is to it. Easy as that. Click on Avalanche, the next one. Come down here, set the alert. Right, when they go off, we have an opportunity. We'll just see what happens over the weekend. Bitcoin Cash, 3 dots. Add alert. This is a 1 hour alert. Can't remember if we did that. Bitcoin, we'll just set another one, doesn't matter. Scalping, and I mean this applies to anything you want to trade. Doge, you name it. Forex, indices, gold. Let's have a look at this. Right, so the alert went here, fired here. Did we get involved with that or not, right? See how that happened. And if you have a look at the chart, there's not much of a pullback. So you've got to come, the alert fires, but you've got to come into the 1H, the 1M. Right, so what was that like? See, there was no opportunity. Right, so that's our point of interest here. Right, the alert's done its thing. It's just telling us that it's overextended here, but look, there's no opportunity yet until that. Oh, yeah, okay, fair enough. That's the opportunity there. All right, but it was a bit short-lived. So you've just got to follow it on the 1 minute and look for the breakout. Okay, break and retest. That's it there. This is what the algos are doing, right? They're organising these retraces to hit liquidity, right? So you can take that trade. Long position. Well, there's a 4R outcome if you've got a tight stop. Okay, always looking for the pullback into equilibrium. Swing low, swing high into the 50. See that? Okay, the next opportunity was where... let's have a look at that. Yeah, alright, that's the point of interest. But look, see, we're waiting for this rotation on the 1 minute. Okay, hope you understand. Painting or repainting doesn't matter. We're looking at price action. This is just going to bring into the chart to tell you there's a setup, a potential setup down here. And we come in and then we wait for the rotation and we catch that. So Doge, I don't know if I set up the alert. Let's do it again. Yeah, come down here to the indicator. Add alert, create. Okay, Ethereum. Here's the setup. Look, Let's check it out. Right there. What's going on? But the alert will fire earlier. That's fine, and it brings you into the chart. Let me just create the alert. Add alert. Alright, come into the 1 minute chart. That's our point of interest. Don't get fired there. Alright, this is a bit late to the party, so you don't want to be buying up in here. You've got to catch it when it turns from red to green. That's okay. Right, so let's have a look at this chart. See, you've got to have the same alert down in here. So the 15M brings you in, the 1 hour brings you in, but you've got to have the alert on this time frame, and you want to be looking at this. This is the opportunity when the candles turn from green to red there, right there. Link. There's another alert. We'll check it out. And it might be a bit late because it's already fired, see? As soon as the alert goes off, that's when we come in. Just go, okay. Point of interest was here. Okay, have a look at it on the lower time. Here we go, look. So that's what we're looking for, guys. This is it. So there's going to be an opportunity here. Alright, let's just open up the 1 minute now and get ready. That's exactly what we're looking for. Go to the log. Yeah, it hasn't fired because I'm only just setting these up. But alright, here we go. So what we want to do now is set up a different alert. So what we're looking for is these candles to turn from red to green. We don't really have the a bullish divergence here. Okay, so that's something on the checklist that doesn't add up. Fair enough. But what we're looking for is, and we can set these alerts now, trend bars. Make sure you can see these things here. Okay, see them flashing on and off. Okay, select those, go okay. So what we want is the green signal when these bars turn from red to green. Trend bars, so we're going to add the alert now, and it's going to be a different sound. Trend bars, 3 dots, add alert. I'm going to go for a piercing sound, banjo if you like. Come back, and I want the bullish. Well, it's just going to be a bar color change, once per bar, that's it. Create. Alright, so when we see this green dot kick in, that will give us something. And the other alert you can set can be the trend channel. Go for cloud break number 1, and that will give you the same sound. Alright, so when this starts to shift gears, we've got an opportunity. Let's just set up some more alerts now. So that'll fire. You know, when this sets up, that'll bring us into the chart. So back over to this one, the 1 hour. Have a look at near. Again, same thing, guys. Look, we've got everything lining up. Here it is. Okay, we've got the green here. We've got. Oops, hang on, we missed the boat. That was back here. Alright, fair enough. But look, see, this is what we're looking for here. When that happens, it's counter trend, so watch out. Tight stop, come in on this pullback here, right? So you have the divergence, and you're looking for, see, the alert on the 1 minute. That's got to happen as well. Everything has to align, guys. So you've had the alert on the 1 minute back here, here, and here, right? All 3 of these, but we don't have this yet, the rotation. So that's what we're waiting for. Okay, we missed that boat. Fair enough. Solana, yeah, same thing. I'm just going to set the alerts. I quite like this, and I'll see if I can follow up with another video. What's this looking like? Okay, we've got that. See how this has already happened? Okay, we'll let it go. But we want the next one, possibly, right? This, yeah, well, that happened way back. Okay, fair enough. But where did this kick in? And that's the thing. Like, back here? So we want to watch it all through this green zone. Middle. Yeah, see, nothing. There's nothing there. There's nothing there, right? That gave you a little bit. But again, guys, it's counter trend. Watch out. It's a long position on this pullback. Well, maybe here. Tight stop. It's scalping. What'd you get out of that? Look at this 3.5 R out of that, guys. Nothing wrong with that. Stop under the previous low. You probably really want to see the cloud under, or the break into the cloud at least. Yeah. Alright. Understand the risk. It's not for the faint-hearted, but, if you're game. That alert. What does that look like? Back there. Here you go, look. Okay, that was our point of interest, and we're starting to see the rotation. So that's where you actually enter, right here. Done. Right there. Nice. Alright, that gave you what? 4R. Looking back a little bit, we've got... That was a different story. So what do we got? XLM, so let's just go now to XRP. I'll just set the alert on XRP. There it is. And yeah, happy days, guys. I'll show you something in a minute, something really important. Just let me do this alert. Oh, and I want this different sound. Droplet. Droplets on the main alert, and a shrill kind of piercing noise will be on the lower time frame alert. That was the opportunity back down in here. Alrighty, yeah. Now when you go to my website, I'll show you how you can gain immediate access. Right, head over to the website, click on free trial. Now you want the indicators. Just go straight down here to this gold, click that, scroll down here and click on the star. This will take you to my WOP landing page. Okay, here's the WOP landing page. You click get access. You want this one on the right, and pay for this before your 2 weeks is up. So you get a free trial for 2 weeks. Cover your $49.95. That's it. And you're going to have immediate access to these things. So what you need to do is, once you sign up here, use the email to come back into the WOP page, and then you're going to see everything will be available for you. Just click these and you'll be able to join immediately. Once you click the TradingView indicators, you click that link, you just go straight into TradingView and everything will be there for you. Right, so that's how to get involved, guys. And with that, I hope you have a fabulous day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.